Seller financing. For many of us, it is the holy grail. It is where we can show our creativity and create win-win transactions. The one and only Omar Alfaro has just completed one. I have no idea what the details are, but we are going to find out together. So, Omar, what's going on? You got a seller finance deal just done?
I did. As a matter of fact, the crazy thing is, we just did this deal that I bought 2 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
for 155,000.
Okay.
Rented it out for 1,800 bucks a month, which is phenomenal. And then it got broken into. I ended up borrowing some money, initially, like 110 from private money,
Mm-hmm.
and then 45K out of my pocket. And then after that, I own this little commercial building, and I was making 6,600 bucks or $6,600 a year was the interest payment. I was
Mm-hmm.
making, I think, was it 15,000 in positive cash for the first year.
Okay.
And then it got broken into after she left.
Mm-hmm.
Then I did an insurance claim. Received 11K back from that, plus that 15K of that first year positive.
Mm-hmm.
So I think overall I was in this thing like 65K,
Okay.
after the fix up of 40 grand, and everything else. So $65,000, right?
Okay.
Um, what I did is 65K minus, right? Minus the $15,000 profit plus the $11,000 like upswing because
Okay.
of the insurance claim.
Mm-hmm.
And then, we fix it and it's sitting there and no activity. And I mean, you know what? I'm going to start throwing it out there as a owner finance deal.
Okay.
So I ended up owner financing, or I let a buyer do this. They
Yep.
gave me 120K down, purchase price of 303,
Okay.
um, a 12% loan on 180K.
So hold
And
on, hold on, hold on. So you're the seller. What
Mhm.
was it listed for and getting no activity? What was it listed at?
299.
Okay, so you have it on the market for 300, just use round numbers. No
Yeah.
activity, no activity. You change it up as the seller and you say you'll take seller financing.
Yeah.
You get a contact, somebody reaches out how soon?
Um, they actually made an offer right away. I rejected the offer because I had cash offers on the table. Then they backed out. I was in escrow for 300.
Okay.
And I'm like, you know what? I'll take all of the cash now. Let's
Right.
do it,
Okay.
obviously. But then no activity after they canceled. And then they reached back out to me. They're like, hey,
We're still
will you
here.
still entertain this? I'm like, let's roll. And I did it,
Okay.
120K down.
All
And
right. So they
the,
put
but,
40% down,
yeah,
roughly. And then you gave them you carried the rest 180 grand ish. And you're charging them 12% interest only.
yeah.
Wow.
No qualifying, no credit check, no nothing. 120K down,
Okay.
financing 180.
So you're the
Um,
first, you're the lender, you're the bank.
yeah, 5 year
Okay.
term.
So a balloon at the end of 5 years. Okay. And how are they going to use it? Is it like their main business or what is this thing to them? What's the
Um, it's going to be both. It's going to be
okay.
their place of living, and then they're going to be building whatever they're building in the back 40,
Okay.
which is like
Okay.
another dirt lot.
Hmm.
But it's their asset now. So whatever they want to do, it's up to them, and they got to go to the city. They got to do
Sure.
whatever they need to do to get that part of it. But the cool part is that this buyer was super excited and happy because she didn't have to get qualified. She
Right.
had some cash down. The payment is relative, right? It's
Yeah,
interest
it's
only.
yeah, it's $1,800. It's easy math. Yeah. Okay.
It's $1,800 and a 5 year term. I mean, if she takes 5 years to pay it off, that's 108,000 bucks in pure interest,
Yeah.
plus my 180 back,
Yeah.
and then the 120 that I had as a down payment. It's
Yeah.
like 400 and some $408,000 of of money that came back in, right? Minus my initial cost. So I mean, it's a win-win.
Yeah.
And it's not
This
going
is
to appreciate $108,000 in 4 years
no,
or 5 years. At least I don't think
no.
so. No.
This is what sellers, right? If you're a seller and you're not getting action and you're in a financial position, offer seller financing. There are lots of people with cash that can't qualify for lots of different reasons. And especially in an environment where the SLOOS report this morning said credit's even getting tighter from here.
Super tight. Yes.
Yeah, tighter from here. If you're a seller with equity, offer seller financing. Look at Omar. He got above asking. He got 40% down. He's getting 12% interest on his equity. Are you kidding me? 12% interest. He has a 5-year balloon. It's just a win-win-win. And the buyer's happy. How many buyers would be happy to pay 12% interest? Somebody that can't get a bank loan for some reason.
And the best, I mean, they have to get an appraisal, and guess what? It's a
No
commercial
nonsense.
building.
No
Like
inspections.
I mean, this is easy. Done.
Yeah.
And,
so
and
yeah,
I
folks.
even hooked her up.
Yeah. So folks, if you are a seller in today's market and you're not getting any action and you have equity, try it. Offer seller financing and see what happens. Maybe offer first, like this case, maybe offer a small second. I think you'd be shocked at how much activity would come by offering seller financing. Omar, if somebody wanted to buy or sell or talk about this transaction, how would they reach out to you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar, or go to my website, omaralfaro.com, and follow me on IG because I'm coming out with a lot of case studies on what and how I've purchased these properties sub-2 with owner financing, and then me purchasing via owner financing as well, and why it's so important to like diversify your portfolio if things aren't working. So this is a perfect example.
Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much.